Dalawa pa lang.
Parking na lang po tayo sir, pwede po sa kanan or kaliwa. After po sundin kayo ng bedman dito sa sasakyan.
Hi YouTube friends, welcome back to my channel. So, we had a little vacation at Highland Bali in Nueva Ecija with my husband and everyone from his family. It was a double birthday celebration for his mom and for him since their birthdays are just a few days apart. I've never been here before, so I was so excited to see this place because it really gives Bali vibes. So let me take you back to the trip and show you how it went.
Welcome to Highland po. Welcome. Thank you. For registration po sa front desk naman.
Nandito na po kami sa...
We went to Bali for our honeymoon in 2022 and there's this place in Ubud called Swept Away restaurant that looks quite similar to this one.
Go.
That was my favorite restaurant in all of Bali because it felt so special and perfect.
So nice.
Whoa!
Swimming pool.
Ito kanya for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Tsaka water park po yung sa harap. Wala po yung buti. Welcome po sa room nila.
Thank you. Alright guys, welcome to our home for the next 2 nights. In case you're wondering, this room costs 9,000 pesos per night. First off, we've got a TV and air conditioning. And then we've got not 1 but 2 beds, which I actually love because the other one's for dumping all our outfits and random stuff. The only thing is that the beds are a little smaller than I expected, but honestly, not really a big deal. Now moving on to the bathroom, this is where it gets fancy. It's super spacious. There's a bathtub and a separate shower area. And that's me. Hi! Gotta say, I love how big this mirror is. It makes me feel like a main character in a skincare commercial. They've got complimentary toiletries here and look, a real healthy plant, not plastic, actual life. And more free stuff over here, which we love. The toilet's right here too, and yes, it comes with its very own door. Always a good feature, 10 out of 10. Okay, over on this side, there is an actual closet, which is perfect if you're the kind of person who hangs their clothes. I'm not that person. And I almost forgot this part, super cool. They have an espresso machine that you can use for free. Then here we've got bottled water, coffee, and tea, also free. In the drawer below, the snacks are not free. And there's also a kettle if you want to heat up water. And of course, the mini fridge has drinks too. And finally, the view from our room. Wow. You know, sometimes it's not about the view, it's about who you share it with. Okay, now back to the rest of the vlog.
Hi, welcome back to my channel.
Say welcome back.
Welcome back.
Why are we here?
It's for my mom's 70th birthday.
And your birthday.
Yeah, it's my 36th birthday.
Year old.
Yeah, almost 40. Oh no.
Sir, in-house guest po ba sila?
19, 33, 43, 21.
Ay, tama rin yun na sa free. 33, 21.
It's a lovely morning and we're off to the restaurant for a complimentary breakfast. The resto was only one flight of stairs away from our room. The only thing is our 102-year-old grandmother needed some help going up and down, so I really think that it would be nice if they added an elevator for seniors to enjoy the place more comfortably. The breakfast was okay, nothing too crazy in terms of variety. Some people like having different cuisines when they stay at big resorts like this. And I wasn't exactly expecting Balinese food, but it would have been nice to see something like that since the place had a Balinese vibe. But honestly, I liked what they served and appreciated the familiarity of the food. After breakfast, it's time to plan our day. So we headed up to the reception area to book some activities. And oh my gosh, that uphill walk felt like a full-on workout already.
Malapit na tayo. Ito ba yung bahay na may-ari?
Okay, so here are the prices for the activities you can do here. We booked a jet ski, kayak, and balsa. Then we also booked their Bali signature massage, which I think is a little overpriced. But hey, we're already here, and since he's paying, and as the saying goes, why not coconut?
Kunin ko na po yung papel. Yung malaking nahuhuli.
Babas.
Ipon, meron din pong ipon dyan. Marami na po yung bili dyan.
Pero hindi pinaluluto doon.
Ay, hindi po. Pang-uwi po nila. Bali ma'am, magsabi na lang kayo sa may mag-assist po sa inyo pagkakapagpapag.
Going there.
Ano po, ng wheelchair po.
Ito na po yung balsa.
Hindi ko nga alam kung saan yung bus.
I think ito na nga yung bakal.
Yan na yun.
Pero hindi naman ito balsa.
Magbo-boodle fight tayo mamaya daw dito.
Tingnan natin kung magpipili.
Oo nga.
Ano yung ba sabi?
She said, hey you, isn't it funny how we always seem to meet at every place in town? Yeah, I must be lucky. I reply, you can take me high.
Come here. There's also a table tennis where you can play with your fam. And right beside the table tennis area is the cafe. So after all the fun activities, we went straight to the restaurant for lunch, and I'd say everything was delicious. We ordered a mix of Filipino and Western dishes like tilapia, pork ribs, and more yummy food that everyone liked. I was so tired though that I didn't even get to vlog anything. Still, lunch was definitely a hit. Then we found out there was a cafe inside the resort, and of course, I had to get myself an iced coffee. We also ordered a red velvet cake from the cafe for 2,800 pesos. A little pricey, but honestly, I think it was worth it. These are jacuzzis. There's another pool over there. Ayaw. We also checked out the infinity pool. Turns out it's like 6 feet deep, so nope, I didn't even try. Then, of course, that night, we celebrated with good food and heartfelt moments from my mother in law and husband.
Sabay kayo, sabay.
1, 2, 3, go!
So after our 3 days and 2 nights at the resort, we headed back to Manila the night before my husband's actual birthday. He said he just wanted a chill, peaceful, no pressure kind of celebration, and that's exactly what we did. To make the morning a little more special, we had our coffee at one of our go-to spots in White Plains, Common Folk Coffee Bar. They serve good food too here, but this time we just had iced coffee since it was already close to lunch. After coffee, we headed to Opus Mall to watch Freakier Friday, which was my request because I'm a Lindsay Lohan fan. The movie started at 12:15 p.m., so lunch had to wait. Honestly, it turned out so fun because the cinema at Opus is super nice and clean, and not just that, we had it all to ourselves. And then we had lunch at a K-barbecue place called Sogum by Soban, which is basically the more premium version of Soban. If there's one thing my husband and I totally share in common is that we both love K-barbecue, or samgyeopsal as we usually call it here. Soban has always been our go-to spot whenever the craving hits, so trying out Sogum was super worth it.
Oh, masarap dito.
Cheers!
Legit na coffee. Mapait. Lasang coffee po.
Coffee what?
Coffee po.
Coffee ko. Oo nga. Yung candy na.
Good boy.
Finally, we made it back home, and we got Leo's all-time favorite chocolate cake. This time, we tried one from Big Al's, which was actually our first time buying from them. We love it, Also, we have a dog. His name's Panda, and he's an August baby too, just like my husband. So I'm singing for them.
Leo.
And Han, happy birthday to you.
Yay, thank you so much.
And of course, they made a wish and blew out the candle together, which is so sweet and cute.
Write up a song for just anyone. I was always the one to find myself lost in long conversations. Oh, cause I've always been told that things will unfold if you keep on waiting.
Hey, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.
Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby. I was never the one to give up the ghost. No, I was so stuck. I kept on playing my part, wanting to give up cause nothing was changing. But with you it's so clear, and now that you're here I see colors in every spectrum. Guess I finally learned my lesson. Cause you glue all the pieces back together. Yeah, you take all my wrongs and make them better. Yeah, you're making me wanna try forever. And I feel so free, oh my sweet baby.